So question 4, the three triangles shown below, A, B, and C, are shown. The given lengths of the sides are in centimeters, where X and Y are natural numbers. In this question, take the perimeter to mean the length of the perimeter. So these are lengths of each of the sides that are being given. So let's look at the first part. So the perimeter of triangle A is 8. So they're actually giving us the value of that one. So I'm just going to write that there. So perimeter that is 8. Two sides have length 2, so that's given, and 3.5. Work out the length of the third side. So the perimeter is adding up the length of all the sides. So all we have to do here is add the two sides that we have, which is 5.5, 5.5. And we know that the full perimeter is 8. So I can subtract 5.5 from 8, which means I will have 2.5 centimeters left. So that side there is also, is 2.5. Okay, so I know all sides of it now. So that's the length of the third side. Part B, 1. Write down the perimeter of B in terms of X. Okay, so they've given us two values here, and they've given us a constant of 3 on this side. So we don't know the perimeter, but we can write an equation on this. So we know that 3, which is this one here, plus 2x, which is that side there, plus 2x, plus 2x plus 1 is equal to the perimeter. I don't know what that value is, but it is a number. If I simplify that, then I can put the two x's together, and the 3 and the 1 go together. So I've got 4x plus 4. So that's as far as I can take it, because I can't solve for x or anything like that, because I don't know at this stage what the perimeter is. So that's my answer for the next part. Okay. Now, the B2, the perimeter, now they're giving me the perimeter, is 24. Use this to work out x. Okay, so now I've been told that this lad is 24 perimeter. So I'll just write that up there. Okay. Okay, so I now know it's 24. So I've already written a formula. So 4x plus 4 is equal to 24. So simplifying, bringing x to one side by itself. So we've got 24, subtracting 4 from both sides. 4x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 5 centimeters. So that's my answer for x in that case. So 2, that's a 10, and that's 10 plus 11. Okay, so 24 is my total. So if that is right, so that's 11 plus 10 plus 3 is 24. Okay, which is what they've given us. So that adds up to that perimeter. Okay, part 3. The perimeter of the three triangles A, B, and C, which are shown above, form a linear sequence. Triangle C has the largest perimeter. So a linear sequence. So it means that they're either going up or going down in a linear manner. So the distance between A, B, and C should be the same if it's a linear sequence, and C has the largest. So it means you're going to keep going up. Okay, and you can even see that, right? So obviously C visually looks bigger than B, and B looks bigger than A, as it is in terms of perimeter. So if it's a linear sequence, A and B, so let's now write down A to B. So A we know is 8, and B we know from above is 24. Okay, so the jump from here to here is plus 16. If it's a linear sequence, the jump from B to C should be the same. Sorry, I've done that wrong. I'll just do this one again. So C, and this is going to be K. We don't know what it is yet. So that distance needs to be the same. That also needs to be 16. So what I should be doing then is adding 16 to 24, which will give me 40. So K is going to be equal to 40. Okay, because I'm simply continuing the linear increase of 16 to get 40. So the value of K is 40. Hence work out the value of Y, where Y is a natural number. So let's go back up and see what Y was at all. So Y is again listing the two values, sorry, one value in terms of two sides of that triangle. So we've got 3 there. We've got a 5, which is fixed. We've got a y squared plus 3. Okay, so we need to turn that into an equation. So let's just write down our 5 first, which is one of the sides. So 5 added to y squared, which is one of the other sides, plus y squared plus 3 is equal to 40, which we take from above because that's the perimeter now. Okay, so let's simplify that. So 2y squared plus 8, when I add the 5 and the 3 together, is equal to 40. Get y squared by itself. So bring the 8 across, so subtract 8 from both sides. Sorry, this should be 32 now, by taking 8 away from both sides. Next thing we'll do is we'll divide by 2, divide both sides by 2, so I'm going to get y squared is equal to 16. And of course, squaring a number to get 16 means y is going to be 4. 4 fours is 16. Okay. Right, so y is equal to 4. So you can go back and check that if you want to. So if I put 4 in there, so 4 squared is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 16. So if I add those two together, so 16 and 5 is 21, plus 19 is 40, which does actually give us the perimeter of 40. So there is your answer for that last part. 4 is the answer.